SP Tools 135-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Custom Series toolbox with a Custom Series tool trolley. Custom Series is SP Tools mid-size storage system. The box is 668mm wide and 316mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in 160mm and 570mm width. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty dual gas struts and a full-length piano hinge joint. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilos per pair. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip chrome plated handles. The tool chest features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The tool trolley is 900mm wide and 490mm in depth. It features a 2-drawer configuration with an open access lower shelf. The tool trolley features a steel worktop with a corrugated rubber cover. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides, and the slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. The drawers also feature SP Tools Click Lock, the exclusive one-finger drawer locking system. This ensures that drawers can't roll open under their own weight. This helps to avoid any potential OH&S issues with the box tipping over. The side of the trolley is equipped with an easy grip handle which can be fitted to either end to suit any workspace. On each side of the trolley it also features a storage shelf for screwdrivers. The trolley features 4 heavy-duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel casters have an easy one-touch brake hold and release. The tool trolley features high-quality dual-layer UV-resistant powder coat finish. SP Tools 87-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive sockets 4 to 13mm and 3/16 to ½ inch, 3/8 drive sockets 8 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4 inch, ½ inch drive sockets 10 to 32mm and 3/8 to 1 1/8 inch, 2 spark plug sockets 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip ratchets, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive wobble extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 8 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4 inch. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 6-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 3 Phillips head screwdrivers from 75mm to 150mm in length, and 3 standard blade screwdrivers from 75mm to 150mm in length. SP Tools chrome alloy plier and cutter set with induction hardened cutting tips, 150mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, and the 200mm combination plier with dual texture grips. SP Tools chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex key sets, 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8. An adjustable 250mm wrench made from chrome alloy steel, and a 16-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source.